Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying out a 70s look. So I've borrowed a top from my mom. Well, actually she gave it to me a long time ago. So it's actually from the 70s, which is pretty cool. I've done my hair, not fully. I just put a lot of hairspray in it at the moment so it can set, and then I'll brush it out and maybe put an Alice band. We shall see. So here we go. Already washed my face and just put some cream on, and now I'm going to use some primer just because we're going to be using a lot of makeup today. I got this one from Sorbet. It's this poreless one, so it's nice. It doesn't have a tint or any kind, it's just a poreless filter, and it's almost finished. So what I'm going to do, just bring you a bit closer. So it looks like this, and then I'm just going to pat a little bit on where my pores are quite large or where my makeup generally creases, especially here, a little bit in just my forehead. See, that's not too much. Now I'm going to take my BB cream, my favorite. I still haven't invested in a foundation, which I probably will do one day when I find a nice one. So I'm just going to take that and I build it quite heavy in the center of my skin, and then I just push it out lightly. And then I just take whatever left on my brush and I just brush it down. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I generally use the NYX one, I think I mentioned in my last video. But I went to go get a new one and I can't find it anywhere. I don't know if NYX, I can find it online, but I really needed it then and there. So I bought this new Maybelline, almost dropped it. This new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage. If you can just, there we go. It looks like this. And it's supposed to be specifically for under eye concealer, which is great because I have really bad under eyes. So because we're doing like a 70s look, I noticed they use a lot of concealer under their eyes. They really try and brighten their eyes. So I'm going to make a triangle, but not like a solid triangle. I just kind of draw it out like that. Especially under the eyes. And then I put a little bit on top of my eyes, because I have like, it's a bit purple there, and I really want the colors to pop. There, a little bit on my nose as always, where I go red here, a little bit on my chin, and then I have a spot right there. Now, while it just warms up in my face, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. Just like that. And now with my two little fingers, I'm going to push that into my eyes. We just want a seamless, smooth under eye coverage. And I feel like your fingers just work best. Okay. Now I just take my foundation brush again and I just push it underneath my eyes. It just kind of takes away any oily spots that are there. So I just brush them up. Is my eyebrow pencil, brown. Also just got that from Essence. And I'm just gonna lengthen them because I feel like that's very 70s. They all had these beautiful defined eyebrows. There we go. Okay, now that's that. Now we can go into the fun part, which is the eyes. So what I'm going to use today is Beauty Bay, obviously, because I've bought their palettes and I'm going to use it. And I know I'm wearing orange, but I kind of want to go in with their blue. I think that might just stick out a bit. And their other palette, which is the Bright Mattes, they've got these gorgeous different hues of blue, which I'm going to be going in with. And then finishing off with the Horizons palette. I'm going to go in with their color Paradise, or no, first I'm going to do Daydream. So Daydream is that beautiful color, if you're going to focus, or the light. So you want to stay there and just go above your natural crease. Then I'm gonna go in with this Paradise and just okay, and then I just kind of brush that off like this, and then I just go around again, just at the top there. And now this is almost a bit more 60s, but I'm gonna do their fabulous eyeliner above the crease, but just a very light one in the shade of blue. So I'm gonna go in with this specific Dreams, very vibrant one. These two. And this looking at gonna be really easy. So now to my favorite, the Sunset. They have this gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. It is called Oasis, and can you just look at that color? So now I'm gonna take my finger and plonk it over there. Oh, that's fabulous. I'm really happy with this. And now with a highlighter, because it's the 70s, I've got this crushed LA Girl Strong Powder, which is really, really vibrant. So put that in the middle. Yeah, I feel like that's super vibrant. And now you're gonna take this very thin eyeliner pencil and make a little eyeliner. Beautiful cheeks. So I'm first going to go in with a bit of a bronzer just to warm the cheekbones a bit. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC blush. That's Blush Please. I'm really enjoying it. It's very soft but effective. And I'm just going to put it at the top there. Brush my eyelashes. And then I'm also going to put in individual eyelashes. Okay, so I've put in some individual lashes, as you can see over there, just to kind of oomph. And then I'm just going to put some mascara. Okay. Okay, and on the bottom eyelashes. Okay, just a little bit of highlight. And just forgot my eyebrow gel. And for lips, put some lip balm as well. Just gonna go in with Whirl from MAC. Just gonna use the Maybelline Lasting Fix on my face. And you can either leave it like that. I like it because I was going to put an eyelash band, but I think this is cute enough. Let me just show you the look. Closer. That is the full look. I hope you guys enjoy and let me know if you try it out.